Good afternoon, Pranam to everyone. With the blessings of Hanuman, with the blessings of my parents, with the blessings of Sai Baba, I've been fortunate enough to produce world's most advanced e-learning program in homeopathy, which is based on the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi sir, vocal for local, local to global, make in India mission, holistic healthcare, different medical disciplines in one platform, Digital India program. In this August gathering, it is my absolute honor and it is my absolute privilege to have Sri Devrat Acharya sir, His Excellency the Governor of Gujarat. Sir, it is my absolute honor to serve you as a consultant homeopath, and I feel really blessed. Would like to welcome the guest of honor, Sri Kiran Rijiju sir, former Minister for Ayush. Would like to welcome Dr. Mahendra Bhai Munjapara sir, Minister for State, Ministry of Ayush, and Minister for State in Ministry of Communications, Sri Devsi Chauhan sir. Along with distinguished guests and our beloved Member of Parliament from Anand constituency, Sri Mitesh Bhai Patel, Baka who has made a lot of efforts in making this event successful, and our beloved Dr. Anil Khurana sir, the Honorable Chairman, National Commission for Homeopathy. I thank each and every one of you to be a part of this event. It is absolute honor for me. As we know that in the global catastrophe of COVID-19, the whole world has broken absolutely. There are only two industries which have gone very high. One is digital and second is medical. And it is our absolute honor and privilege to have honorable ministers from these two faculties itself. Dr. Mahendra Bhai Munjapara sir, who himself is a doctor from medical field and he is an honorable minister for state for Ayush, and Sri Devsi Chauhan sir, who is a minister for state for Ministry of Communications. So this event is a perfect combination of the purpose what we have gathered here. As we know that India delivers the best in homeopathy because it has greatest support from the government. And in this August gathering also, we can confirm the same. For the purpose of homeopathy, we have His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Gujarat, we have Minister for State for Ministry of Ayush, we have Minister for State from Ministry of Communications, we have Member of Parliament as well as the Chairperson from National Commission of Homeopathy, Dr. Anil Khurana sir. This itself indicates that how much government is open for homeopathy. This itself indicates that how much government is in support of homeopathy. And in this venture, e-learning program, delivering from the world, from India to the world, supports the same. This is my tribute to four people, especially Sri Sai Baba, who is the father of my life, Hanuman, who is the father of my food, my parents, who have, because of them and because of their sacrifices, I have achieved here, and my beloved teacher, Professor Joel Bijulkar sir. It is very important to note here that tomorrow is the birthday of my beloved father, who is the real inspiration of my life. And 25th of July is the birthday of my beloved teacher, who is also beloved inspiration of my life. I wish both of them a very long life and a very healthy and very peaceful life. This e-learning program is basically developed in two ways. One is website and applications, Android and iOS. The Apple application is taking a little bit longer time because of its security and because of its concern. We are expecting to have it next week. But the rest of the thing is very much available. So this is one of the unique development what we see here in homeopathy. And this e-learning platform is basically developed on the very similar technologies which has been used by Facebook, which has been used by Amazon, which has been used by Instagram, Netflix, Udacity, Udemy, Infosys, and Prime Video. So in a way, it is like most advanced infrastructure for promoting real homeopathy, original homeopathy. There are courses which are our mission for the e-learning program is also very clear, and our mission has total 24 courses in which primarily what I really believe is organon is one of the subject in homeopathy which has not undergone development. There is a lot of development in materia medica, there is a lot of development in repertory, but there is not much development in organon itself. And I think Hahnemann has blessed me to produce revolution or a development in the field of organon, making the digital organon of medicine. If you see repertory in a book form, everything is in black color. If you see materia medica, everything is in black color. But if you see the software of repertory, or if you see the software of materia medica, it has a lot of colors, it has a lot of designs, it has a lot of change, bold symptoms, italic symptoms, common symptoms having different colors, red, blue, black, etc. So why not that can be the case with organon? So Hahnemann has inspired me in this journey of 100 webinars to produce the digital version of organon, which has multiple colors, multiple fonts, multiple designs, where words conveys a more deeper and very attractive meaning. Organon Access to Success, allopathy from allopathic experts on the basis of holistic healthcare as per the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Sir, homeopathy courses for allopathic experts. Who wants to be a homeopath? Kaun banega homeopath? And homeopathy practice is very easy. Now in this, would like to share in a very nutshell about this digital organon. This is digital organon. What I am coming up with is what Dr. Hahnemann has written is a book version. What I am trying to create is a digital version. It is all with PowerPoint presentations with multiple colors, paints, highlights, animations, and everything has been used, which in book it is not so. Organon people consider a very boring subject. So this is now no longer can be said like that. Like materia medica and repertory, we have gradation of symptoms. Like sweet desire, we have +3. Chilly patient +3, hot patient +3, etc. So in a way, ultimately, that is what I have tried to create in terms of organon, where making underlining of the literature of the organon, different colors have been used, different size of fonts have been used, and different gradations have been used to make the information more live, more attractive, more approachable, and more accurate. So now organon is no longer a dry subject. Also, it is said that it is having very heavy English language. So appropriate simple words has also been used along with that. So into that, organon has lack of headings, indexing of aphorisms, where we have come up with one-line meaning of the aphorism and total clinical points to learn. Organon as a book would show only surface of the sentiments. Even materia medica and repertory has intensities. Organon does not have intensities. We have in video tried to create the information which is given in intense form. Book is in condensed form. Organon is a descriptive and exhaustive form in the form of digital organon. So friends, with this, I present to you the digital organon of medicine course, where everything is on multicolor, everything is made short into parts. Having read organon more than 700 times in my life, having done post-graduation in organon of medicine, realizing the importance of organon being the rule book of homeopathy, I present digital organon of medicine to the profession. And I'll be very happy to receive updates, feedback, criticisms, or even appreciation from you. I will be very happy that this information helped you. Along with that, Organon Access to Success. This is one of my famous series, affected hundreds of homeopaths globally, I would say thousands of homeopaths globally, which has really made them great in their practice, and they are so happy practicing on that very ground. So Organon Access to Success series is basically of multiple parts. Basic course, complete course, advanced course, total course, posology, and scholar course. So in this way, Organon Access to Success is a part of the other side of the organon, apart from Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's digital organon. In this is one of the very important and very burning point I want to stress here is homeopathy is progressing fast, but homeopaths are progressing with a very slow rate. And as a result, a lot of homeopaths are going away from homeopathy because of their respective reasons. Two major reasons what I have found out is that during college, people are going away from homeopathy because of their misconception misconceptions, confusions, disappointment, and as a result, they switch for allopathic practice. Now, here in this August gathering, we himself can see, how much government is open for homeopathy. We have so much of distinguished guests from the government itself present in this function to promote homeopathy. World is coming to homeopathy. Even WHO has declared second most popular system of medicine is homeopathy. So with this dangerous future of allopathic practice for a qualified homeopath, I am coming up with a unique course why a student should not practice allopathy being a qualified homeopath. He should stay with homeopathy. And escaping from one problem can be an invitation to the major one if homeopath goes for allopathy practice. Because there are a lot of limitations, a lot of restrictions. Second is women and homeopathic career. In this, there are in every college you see as a ratio 70% of the female, 30% of the male. So homeopathy is a female dominating science. Where homeopathy is science of emotions, where females are symbol of emotions. So women has a great role to play in homeopathy. Right people in right profession. But the only reason is, as per the culture, after getting married, there is a change in the family of a daughter. There is a change in the culture, change among the people, change in the city, even change in the country. From where, because of the marriage or certain commitments, the change brings complete chaos in the career, and there is no way with which a woman can come back into profession whenever she wishes. I want to produce this kind of a course, which I fortunately did, that women and homeopathic career can make practice homeopathy successfully, along with managing life. This is for women empowerment. This is for Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is for the entire women who is in homeopathy. This is a tribute from me to you. E-learning program will be very soon converted into multiple languages: French, Spanish, German, Hindi, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, Italian, Romanian, Slovak, Swedish, Bulgarian, Dutch. This is all in process. My team of many people are working for this, and we are very, very soon committed enough to bring this form, because for learning, language should not be the barrier. If you see entire organon, if you see the original literature of homeopathy have been in German language. It has been translated into English, and we are reading translations. So my wish is to make digital organon also into multiple languages. Announcing scholarships at SHA. This is under the Digital India program led by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir, where I will be, with the blessings of Hanuman, with the blessings of parents, with the blessings of Almighty, with the blessings of my all gurus who have contributed in my life, I believe that the knowledge should be promoted to the next generation. And for that reason, we have created United to Heal Scholarship, in which we will give 1,000 students 100% scholarships. 1,000 students will receive 100% scholarships every year. And all the Indian students will receive education from SHA, from Samuel Hahnemann Academy, in a very, very low cost. Because of the only reason that I want to create next generation. Homeopathy needs homeopathy needs good homeopath. And I am here available 24/7 throughout my life, till my last breath, to do good for homeopathy. All good suggestions are welcome. Hahnemann Scholarship, Kent Scholarship, proud to be a homeopath scholarship, which will be absolutely free for whatever course student want to purchase. Last but not the least, and to conclude my talk, I want to impress. I don't want to impress, I want to inspire. I am a simple man with simple thought. I am here on this world to give, not to get. मैं इस दुनिया में आया हूँ कुछ देने के लिए, कुछ लेने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. I am here to deliver something good for homeopathy. I don't want to impress, I want to inspire. I don't want to be famous. मुझे कोई पहचाने उसमें मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. I don't want to be famous. I want to be effective. People should have changed because of the words. People should have changed because of the knowledge given. And last but not the least, I want to stay at the feet of Sri Sai Baba and Dr. Samuel Hahnemann to serve humanity with homeopathy. I want to stay at the root and will inspire homeopaths to reach on the top. My life is dedicated at the feet of Samuel Hahnemann and Sai Baba, who would be very happy to be there throughout. Thank you very much.